What up, Red? How you been? Stressed out? My dad ruined my beauty sleep. Ah, damn. Where Ashley at? At the restroom. She should be coming.
Hey, babe.
Hey, sexy. What good lips you have.
Stop.
Nah, for real. When are we gonna go to the back of the school?
You really nasty, huh? Well, I guess I can give you a shot.
Thanks, babe. Shit. Well, see you guys in class.
Aye, hun. All right, class, settle down. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn the 45-45-90 degree triangle. Get out your notebook so we can take notes from this projector.
They need to protect me from this lesson. Got my notebook. So do I. And I forgot mine at home. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, watch your mouth. You're going to have an assignment over this, so pay attention.
Yeah, whatever.
Thank you. Now, if we take a look at this diagram.
Oh, you got some snacks? Let me have some. Nah, man. Come on, man, stop playing. Let me have some of your chips. No, you didn't share it with me when you had some Takis yesterday. Man, whatever, fat ass. Ow!
Hey, no eating in my class. Put it up or I'll take them away.
Thanks a lot, Johnny. I can never have nothing. You should have shared your chips. Now you got caught.